Good morning. I am welcoming you back again in the EG1308 Matrix Algebra through SciLab course. And today onwards, we are going to discuss and deal with the SciNode. So this is your SciLab. In that, you are having one direct command to launch SciNode here, or you can use the application called SciNode from here. Opening the SciNode, you will have a lookout this way. Again, here you can just scroll up down with the control button to increase the font size. For example, let me say this, and just I am doing the control scroll up, scroll down to increase or decrease the font size. Here you are having a button to create a new synode, to open some synode, open with some modules, save as, print, undo, cut, copy paste, find, replace, incremental search, code navigator, execute, save and execute all, sign out setting. Again, sign out setting, you are getting the same settings that you were able to see from the original. Here you are having display. You can change colors and all whatever you are required with, but here it is saying that save after every. Better you make it one, because making below 1 is not possible. So put that being 1, because once you will close sign out somehow, or if your PC gets shut down automatically, in that case it is already automatically saved, so you can recall it. Okay, just press apply and then okay. The main use of the using synode is to prepare functions. For example, here you were having a command to find the determinant. Let me say insert a being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you were pressing the determinant of a, and it was giving you answer, and it was not correct. You know that. So if you want to make the command by yourself, then you can do that in the synode. We will learn basics of preparing synode. To prepare code for determinant requires lots of effort. Okay, let's we will make that for simple cases. For example, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 matrices. We will make a code, but for arbitrary matrix it takes too much complicated process. Okay, we are starting with the simple function. For example, here we just have set a determinant, and it was giving you uh, the determinant. Okay, similarly I am putting here function. So I want to define function. So for that I have to just press function. As I have just given a space, it has automatically returned the end function. So this is the benefit, that you are not required to recall that yes, I have to write end function. Sometimes this feature works, sometimes it not. If it is not working, you have to write end function. Okay, so the first function I want to define is simple, that is add. If you want to add two matrices, of course you are required is two matrices. So let me say x and y. Whenever I will provide you two matrices x and y, you have to return me the addition of that two matrices. That is the function what I am going to provide it. Okay, so what the operation it has to follow is a will be the answer. Okay, so a being x plus y. Simple. So a will be the resulting output. Okay, and what I want to do is print the function value being sum of x and y let me say is my answer A, and just press semicolon. Semicolon is there because we don't want to uh, display that as an output. But as you have written this printf, it will display the output, correct? But then it will not perform the any another operation. Okay, what it asks for? It says that save and execute. So first of all, you have to save this note whenever you want. I am storing it in SciLab folder. Add x and y. That is the name I want to save, and just I have done. See here it is saying that I have executed that. That file is here, that is in C users, my PC name, document, SciLab, and the file name is add x and y. So that file is executed. There is no error in executing. Okay, just insert some another matrix B. Let me say 2, 3, 5, this. Okay, and oh, what happened? Syntax error. B, what it is? B is this. Correct. My A is already there. What I want to do is I want to check my function is working or not. So A comma B. See, the addition of A and B is in front of me, and for that it has written sum of x and y is, then answer is equals to correct displayed. Okay, so this is the simplest method to make functions of your requirement, whatever is your requirement. Okay, now if you want to do some complicated things, for example, I want to do let me do one explanation here also. Let me say C being 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I just approach the process for A and C, it will say this error. At line 2 of function add, that function then you are having something. What that something is? Line 2, inconsistent row column dimension. Means, see, you are having here, this is 3 cross 3 matrix and this is 2 cross 2 matrix. So it cannot do the perform operation in the second line. What was the second line? Second line was this. So it cannot do the addition of two matrices. Correct? Okay. Let me do some complicated in this sense. That add, let me write 2 times x plus, let me say minus 4 times y. Okay. And I just remove. Oh, let me put it right now and then we'll remove. Okay, so what I'm doing is I have saved and executed. See, for first time I have executed and it was saying warning. Then I have executed again and it is saying there is no warning at all. Okay, so anyhow, let's perform the operation A with B. Add A with B. And see, the previous addition was this, but now addition is this. It is having even negative values. So it is not the case that add A plus B gives you the addition of A and B. But what the operation it is doing? It is doing the operation this 2 times x minus 4 times y. Means 2 times A minus 4 times B matrix will be this. And here this A is not having any relation with this A. Okay. Even if you will replace this A by anything else, but you have to do that everywhere. For example, if I replace this by Z, here I am writing Z, here I am writing Z, and just doing save and execute, and see the resulting answer is the same. So it is not having anything relation to this A, correct? Okay. One more thing I want to perform is this. Just remove this. and say save and execute A and B, and simply it will give you the answer without writing this statement that the sum of x and y is the answer. Okay, so this is the process, means just that was used to write this line. Okay. Okay, so with this I am stopping this session. See, still that a plus c is not working. Okay, with this I am stopping this session. I think you are getting what I am saying. Stay at home, stay safe, and do the practice of whatever we have done today and till now. Thank you.